Dilute alcohol from fermenting vats contain 11.5% ethanol. So again, it's not stated. Let's assume it to be percentage by mass. So let's draw the process flow diagram. So this one's distillation. Distillate, bottoms, and feed. It says there, dilute alcohol from fermenting vats contain 11.5%. The distillate contains 75% alcohol, bottoms Fe. So let's write the given here. 95% alcohol. Then, well, the bottom contains 0.5% alcohol. All right. As distillation proceeds, a side stream. Okay, we have a side stream. Side stream contains 40% alcohol is removed. Total recovery of the alcohol is 96.5. Total recovery in the distillate and in the side. So distillate and side, the total should be 96.5%. So I'll just underline this first half. This is important. I'll write that later. On the basis of 1,000 kilogram of feed, calculate the amounts of distillate, bottoms, and side streams. So in here, the feed alcohol is 11.5. So 5% ethanol. So alcohol na lang. And all right. So if it's just a two-component mixture, this one would be 5% water. This one would be 60% water. This one is 95.5% water. 11, so 12 is 88.5. 0.5% H2O. Okay, so I think we're all complete in terms of labeling this. And then it says there, it's easy for us because this is a given. So far, you were already given a basis. On a basis of 1,000 kilograms feed, right? What is required? Amounts of distillate, bottoms, and side stream. Okay, so with this, our solution, let's have our OMB first. For the overall material balances, it's going to be F is equal to D plus S plus B. Then you're only given the feed. So D plus S plus B, right? Now, what else can we do? Guys, what else can we do? Maybe we can do the alcohol balance, the kung ano-ano mga balances natin, right? Alcohol, water balance. Kaya lang, may kulang pa tayo na equation. Isn't it that may in-underline ako na recovery from the side stream? So I can safely say that the recovery, how do you solve for the recovery? I know that the amount of alcohol recovered from the solvent plus the amount of alcohol recovered from the distillate divided by the alcohol in the feed should be 96.5%, right? Am I correct? Can you follow this one? Kasi sabi dyan, no? The total recovery of alcohol in the distillate and the side stream is 96.5. Okay. So, how much alcohol is in the side stream? Look at the side stream, 40% alcohol. So I can say 0.4 S plus how much is in the distillate? 95. 0.95 D. How much alcohol is in the feed? 0.115 times F. Take note that your F is 1000. So this is 0.965. Can you give me what 0.4 S plus 0.95 D is equal to? Guys, what is this? 0.965 times 1000 times 0.115. This is, can you calculate this for me? What is the value? 110.975. Okay. So let us stop here for the meantime. Ano ba yung pwede nating ma-solve? Okay. Now, to, let's try doing the ano bang magandang balances. It's up to us. We can do water balance. You can do alcohol balance. It's up to you, right? So if we do the alcohol balance first, how much as alcohol is in the feed? You know, 0.115 times 1000 is equal to 0.95 D plus, raise ko konti masyado mataas. Para lang hindi siya, I don't need to keep on erasing. Dito tayo. Alcohol balance 0.115 1000 plus 0.95 distillate plus 0.4 S plus 0.005 B. I hope it's clear. Guys, look at this. Isn't this one? That one? Am I correct? So I can safely say that this one is 115 is, what's that star? That star is actually equal to 110.975 plus 0.005 B. You can already solve for B. Can you give me what B is? 805. Okay, so this one is 805 kilograms. The thing is, isa pa lang yung nasa-solve natin. We need to solve for S and B. But take note that here, right, if I plug in that one, 805 in here, what is D plus S equal to? 1000 minus 805, what will this be? Am I correct? 195. I can say this is equation number one. And then where can I get equation number two? Here. Diba yung may D and S din? Oh, let's just say ito, hindi and S. So let's just say this is equation number two. Can you use your equation solver from your calculators? Simultaneous equation solver, D plus S is 195. 0.95 D, 0.4 S is 1110.9. So the answers are My S is 59.95. Ay, mali. D pala yun. Sorry. My D is 59.95 and my S is 135.05. Tama? Alright. So here, it's 59.95 kilograms. Here, it's 135.05 kilograms. So, these are your answers. Alright? Di ba it's quite easy lang? Ang mahirap kasi like ito, you have to remember when I first drew this, no problem with the drawing, no problem with the basis. With the required, I know that it's already in here. The thing is, I had to underline this so that I know I will go back to this later on. So in the solving, first, of course, always the overall material balance. Now, I can also solve for the alcohol balance. But what you'll notice is that you have the alcohol, you have the this balance, but there are three unknowns. So where can I get the other equation? Maybe in here, look at this. In the recovery, which is 96.5, it was stated there from the distillate and side stream. So the amount of alcohol recovered divided by the amount of alcohol fed, di ba? Pero pag sinabing the amount of alcohol recovered from the distillate, from the side, and from the bottom, magdadagdag kayo ng XB over B. You understand? Kung sakaling ganon. Or kunyari, sinabi dito, the total recovery of alcohol from the distillate is this much. Kung distillate lang, tatanggalin natin yung X alcohol times side.